we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
To set the app to record a video without audio, you need to tap its SVR preferences icon first and then scroll down the settings list until you see the option for audio source. Tap on it and select No Audio.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.